Hello guys, welcome to DirectDMedia. Okay, today I want to do a quick unboxing about the new Realme smartphone, which is Realme C3. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, the first thing that you will see is the documentation, and inside we have the SIM pin ejector. Okay, next we have the Realme C3. As you can see, this is the blazing red color. Okay, next we have the cable. I don't know why Realme used the micro USB one, because all smartphone right now already using the Type C one. Okay, last but not least, this is the 10-watt adapter, because this is the review unit, so don't worry. Malaysia will use the 3-pin adapter. If you are interested to purchase the new Realme C3, you can go to any DirectD outlet near you, or you can click at the link in the description below. That's all for me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Adios.